Watch me catch one first cast.
No!
Damn it.
No. Come on. It's a big one.
What the hell? Damn it. Dude, did you see that cast? Look where my popper is. Look where my popper is. Oh, did you see that? Something came up and ate it. Something came up and ate it and struck at it. Dude, that was sick. Dang it, eat it. I bet you it was a sunfish. Sunfish or smallmouth. Oh, got one. Fish on. Dude, awesome. On top water too.
Maybe I should put that little popper on.
First fish of the day, little greenie, green sunfish. Look at the mouth on that thing. That was funny. It's funny ever. Oh, see, he followed it. He fast followed. I swear to God.
Yeah.
That does not look good.
Well, he's not a hook button. He's probably making.
Oh, got one. That was sick. Yeah. A little sunfish. Oh, jeez, and I almost broke my ankle. Got one. Oh, come on. They're tearing this nightcrawler apart. Got him. Oh, dude, this isn't a... I think it's a pumpkin seed. Yeah.
No, it's a green sunfish.
Sure? It might be a hybrid. That doesn't look like the other one, that's why. Nice little sunfish right there. Whoa! Sorry, but no! Sorry, buddy. He's back in the water.
Was it for me? It wouldn't be here either. Maybe I
Another one. In the wind. There are so many fish here. You're right. Gorgeous little fish too. Dude, that is so fun catching these little gills or sunfish. Oh, well, he just went straight back in the water, so I guess that works. Just like that, that easy. Oh, this guy swallowed it. Gorgeous little fish.
And you just put down.
Gots to catch.
Ow, my leg.
My eyes. This is painful.
I'm serious, the hurricane's coming here.
The hurricane is coming for Nevada.
You're getting bites.
I know. That's why I let him eat it.
It's so... Oh. Dang.
Oh, come here, wind! Stupid wind.
This is cute. How do you know I had them on?
Another little guy. Fish bump. See you later, tiny guy. Oh. Come here. Come here. Stupid wind.
Look how pretty this one. Oh my God.
Here, wait. Let's get a double picture.
It's pretty, yours is bigger.
Yeah. Ah!
Actually, the wind's dying down.
Yeah? Not really, though.
I still want to go home.
Yeah, same.